Hi, I'm Libby Wayman, and I'm here with David Peto from Gridfire Energy. David, it's great to be here with you. Tell us a little bit about yourself and the company that you lead as CEO.
Sure. So I'm CEO and co-founder of Gridfire Fusion. I'm a multiple-time deep tech founder. This is my fourth startup, and our mission is to deliver limitless clean energy to humanity at a price that the world can afford.
Great. And tell us about your approach.
So we are quite unique. We're an evolution of what's called a magnetic mirror, one of the very earliest approaches to fusion. My team built a pioneering new version of this machine at University of Maryland, funded by ARPA-E in the States. And this very compact machine, which is only a few meters long, has produced outputs that already put it in the mid-table of all machines ever created, which MIT came down and validated last year, which is super exciting. And we're commercializing this really modular, scalable, maintainable approach, which could actually produce electricity at a price which will make fusion actually economically viable.
Super exciting. Fusion is definitely having a moment.
Yeah,
It's always been seen as something that's always 30 years away or more.
yeah.
What's been the progress that makes this moment coming to fruition now?
So the funny thing is with industries, it's not often a big eureka moment. I mean, obviously net energy gain and all the stuff that happened with the NIF is really exciting, but in reality, it's this kind of incremental improvements across so many different areas: materials, ceramics, supply chain, investment, regulatory change is a big piece to actually be able to deploy. So all of those things are coming together. Plus now you've got so much capital coming to the industry that you're seeing some of these major challenges get fixed. And so as a company where you can't do all that yourself, you need that to happen around you, and that's what's now happening today.
Energy has certainly been a big topic here at Davos, especially as we're seeing demand growth for the first time
Yeah,
from AI.
yeah.
What have your takeaways been from Davos so far?
Well, from Davos, really interesting. I mean, the thing is for every 1% of GDP growth, we need 1.2% more energy. And we're basically stuck. It's like we're driving with the brakes on. And you can see here the excitement around AI and all these new technologies that are coming. But in particular, the one that I've heard multiple times is the electrification of everything: transport, heating. We now have things like robotics coming, where you're going to have billions of 2 kilowatt hour machines, which are going to need to be run. And so, whilst at the same time, Davos's climate agenda is really important, the economic agenda is coming through really strong as well. And the conversations that I've been involved in have been people working out where are we going to get this from. And obviously, we've got these other technologies like traditional nuclear and others that are coming, but this is going to get worse and worse. And this is why the demand for what fusion can do is just getting stronger.
And you're a part of a group of CEOs with Climate Scale Up. What's your takeaway been from your exposure with Climate Scale Up?
Well, I mean, it's the first time person coming to Davos. I mean, it's enormous. It's bewildering, right? So having the Climate Scale Up team able to curate our progress through the event has been amazing. Plus, we have this army of another 11 CEOs that are out there in the wild, meeting people, talking to people, sharing contacts. The amount of messages I've had: hey, get down here, there's someone you need to speak to. It's fantastic. It's like just having this friendly group that have got your back the whole way through. And it's made it, A, so much more easy to navigate, but B, a lot more fun.
And what are you taking away from Davos that is framing the rest of the year for you and your outlook going forward?
So I think the main thing for me is that our timing is good. I mean, that's obviously as a founder, when you're building a business, that's one of the most important things. You want to get the groundswell and feel the temperature. But actually what I'm getting is that there's demand from both governments as well as investors to see this technology move faster. And that is probably the thing that I'm going to take through the rest of this year.
Anything else you want to share?
No, I mean, obviously, I want to make a big thank you to the Climate Scale Up guys. And I'm really looking forward to exposing Gridfire more to the world. We've been very quiet for the last year, just getting everything ready. And we're now kind of emerging out, blinking into the sunlight. And what a great place to do it.
Great. David Peto, founder and CEO of Gridfire Energy. Thanks so much, David.